Hey there, welcome back to Pot Art. Are you tired of your old book taking up space and collecting dust? Well, maybe I have a solution for you. Join this short tutorial to see how I destroyed an old book, but to make something extraordinary. If you don't feel comfortable with the literal violence, please watch till the end, maybe you will be surprised. If you have any question about the process, the steps, the materials or anything, please leave me a comment. So, what do you think at the end? If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to my channel for more content similar to this, and for today, thank you.